Network Entertainment.
Shout out sa lahat ng mga call center freelancers, work from home, at the same time mga regular employees. Narinig nyo na ba yung kasabihang AI will take your job? Ha? Paano ba yan? Totoo ba yan o hindi? Pag-usapan natin to. Hi, I'm Chinkitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free. Teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode. Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome to Chink Positive. Today, we are going to talk about AI and the future of work. Kaya bang palitan talaga ng AI ang aking trabaho? Talagang, will it change the workplace? Will it change the world? So, let's get right into it. So, the reality about AI in the workplace, okay, whether we like it or not, the only thing that is permanent in this world is change. Do you agree? The world is changing so fast. Technology nag-change, telco nag-change, lahat nag-change, looks natin nag-change, sana pati yung wallet natin nag-change din for the better. So, when you talk about AI, it's called artificial intelligence. So, it's more intelligent than a human mind. So, yung kayang gawin mo for probably a few hours, kayang gawin ni AI in just a few minutes or a few seconds. So, it's very important for us to understand, will AI change our workplace? Definitely, it will change our workplace. The way we work, the way we study, the way we think about things. But will AI change and replace people? Yan ang sasagutin natin towards the end. So, reality of AI, how does it help? Number one, it automates tasks. Yung mga paulit-ulit na trabaho, admin work, customer service, pwede nang gawin ng AI yan. Specifically for me, I use a chatbot in my Facebook channel. So if you can follow my Facebook channel at 6.1 million followers. And if you message me and ask me any questions, I would be able to reply to you immediately. Ang sasagot na po yung AI bot ko po doon. They gathered all my data and the way I answer is the same way the AI will answer. Number two, it's more efficient because yun nga, instead of waiting for hours, you can just do it for minutes or seconds. And actually, will AI replace jobs? Actually, AI will never replace the person. But AI will replace the person who refused to use AI. So, magkakaroon ng job shift, not job losses. So, pag ikaw, in-upgrade mo yung sarili mo, marunong kang gumamit ng AI, ginagamit mo sa araw-araw sa trabaho mo, chances are hindi ka matatanggal. But if you refuse to learn AI and use AI, malaki ang chance na mawala ka ng work. Kasi if you can still recall, dati, when you apply sa trabaho, ang computer literacy at the same time, yung computer language, like for example, using Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Doc, dapat required na yun. Ang tinatanong, are you computer literate? If you're not computer literate, chances are mahirapan ka, especially if it's an office work. Right now, if you ask HR, hindi na computer literacy lang tinatanong. Ang tinatanong, are you AI literate? So don't just fear AI. Learn to work with it, not against it. So right now, paano pa kung nag-shift to? Diba? So ano kailangan natin gawin? Number one, you got to be a lifelong learner. Skills, like for example, mag-aral ka, ChatGPT. Yan ang pinaka-basic, di ba? Yan ang pinaka-entry point ng AI. And then after that, pwede kang pumasok sa Claude, pwede kang pumasok sa DeepSeek. Di ba? Pag-aralan mo, ang dami pang AI din na dyan. Number one, invest in workshop, online courses, certification, importante yan. Number two, learn to use AI tools. Instead of fearing them, make them your partners. Like for example, if you're a writer, you can use AI to draft faster. And like, for example, if you're a researcher, you can ask AI to research for you and then you can fill in the blanks. Diba? And then, very important, alam mo, probably 90% AI can do your work. But one thing that AI cannot do is implement. And AI can compute. But it cannot what? Deliver the goods. Diba? AI can probably draft a proposal, but it cannot send and negotiate with the proposal. Kailangan pa rin ng tinatawag na high touch. Kahit may high-tech, may high touch. Kaya nga kailangan din ng emotional intelligence because AI cannot really feel. Kailangan rin ng critical thinking. kailangan rin talaga na, in other words, hindi ka pa rin mawawala sa equation. Like for example, the content that I'm doing right now, it's basically dropped by AI. But the way I deliver it, the way I connect it, the way I say it, it's not AI anymore because I use my personal feelings and my personal experience. And lastly, I encourage you to network and network with a community. Opportunity comes from relationships. Build genuine connections. Learn how to join yung mga AI community because this is where you can learn. This is where you can upgrade. This is where you can upskill. Believe me, I always tell people, you are just one skill away to double your income. Dati wala kang alam sa AI, ngayon marami ka nang alam sa AI, naku, tataas yung value mo, tataas ang kita mo. By the way, if you enjoy this conversation, don't forget to check out my other podcasts with my wife, especially if you're married or if you have a partner. Happy Spouse, Happy House. It's all about strengthening relationship, building harmony at family and home. You will surely love it. So let's go back to our topic. Is AI going to replace people? Well, yes, again, and no. Yes, it will replace people who refuse to use AI, but it won't replace people who are taking advantage of AI. I just want to encourage you, don't be afraid. Every industrial revolution, every change creates fear. Farmer feared machines. Workers feared computers. Pero look at us now. We adapted, we grew. So I want you to shift your mindset right now from AI will take my job. No, AI will improve and transform my job. I will be replaced. No, I will be upgraded. It's the end of my work. No, it's a new way of working. Friend, let me remind you, the future of work is not about AI versus humans. It's about AI with humans. Now, let me ask you, are you interested to learn more about AI? The good thing is, I'm going to give a free session about AI, how you can be an AI first company, how you can be an AI first employee. If you are interested, please just send me a message via my Facebook page and just type the word AI, and then I will reply and send you when and where is the date for you to attend my free session. Thank you very much for tuning in. Again, if you want to have more practical tips about money and life, make sure to subscribe also at my YouTube channel. I will upload fresh content on a daily basis. As I always say in my podcast, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.